Zara and Puff.
Look, Puff is sleeping so peacefully under the big tree. Zara is sneaking very quietly with her magic fairies. Magic time! Plop, plop, plop. Into Puff's trunk go the shiny magic fairies. Uh-oh, something's happening. Puff's nose is twitching, twitching, twitching. Achoo! Fairy explosion! Look at all the pinky berry mess everywhere. Puff looks so funny. Zara jumps into Puff's big trunk hug. Puff shakes off the berries and smiles. Best friends forever. Yay! Magic Oops turned into the best fun ever. Like and subscribe for more Zara and Puff magic adventures.
Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. See you next time. Love you.